Hi, hello, and good morning, everyone. Newborn Investor here, and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully, the market gives us some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. My intention behind these videos is to capture all my trades live with 100% transparency so that you get a sense of what it takes to be a day trader. Also, it takes a lot from me to record these videos while I trade live. So if you appreciate the effort and the content, all I ask from you is to hit the like and subscribe button. It keeps me motivated to put in the long hours for making these videos. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market SPY and triple Q gapping down, giving me a bearish sentiment on the day. Going into market open, I'll be watching Nvidia, Tesla, Facebook, and Amazon. Nvidia and Tesla looks like it's on a downtrend, but they're trading very near to yesterday's close. So I would wait for market open to see how these stocks react to pre-market high and pre-market low. On Facebook, I think the trend has reversed, and until it establishes a clear trend, I'll not be interested, but looks like we have good amount of volume in Facebook. So I'll keep it on watch in case if Nvidia and Tesla doesn't give me any opportunities, I at least have a backup plan. So that's the plan. Going into market open, we do have around 6 minutes to market open. So I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open. Tesla, Facebook, selling off. $900. Probably it's going to act as a support. Yep. Low of this candle was 950. Yep, Tesla back to green. I'm waiting for confirmation here. I hope Tesla breaks out of this range that I've marked, which is pre-market high and pre-market low. Hopefully it doesn't trade within this window. Yep, it's breaking down. So Tesla, again, not ready yet. It broke, but I want to see a strong red candle. Tesla can easily reverse, just confirming. Yep, I hope this candle closes without a wick. And then let me look at my strike prices. 850 looks good. 890 is going to act as a support. 860, planning for my first ad. Placing an order. Yep, I'm in. Placing 780. Got it. I added here because low of this candle can act as resistance. That's why I added there. 48,710. Placing. I didn't get it. I wish I got it. Had I got it, this would have been a perfect trade. Now, I may not look to add around 710. I'll go to 680. Placing. I don't like it now because maybe a red to green move. Watching. Not looking good. Resistance around this area. No, I don't like it. I may have to take some off. Not something I would like to see. So definitely I'm not adding. I'm trying to see whether it can give me one red candle. I like how this candle is forming. But we do have around 3 minutes for this candle to close. No. It's not looking good. Triple Q falling and Tesla is not falling actually. I wish it just flushes. No. I think I may have to cut my loser here. If it makes a new high, then I'm out. I think I'm looking for a big loser today. Oh, I actually bought. I forgot to flip the switch to sell. This is not good. This is going to look very bad. No, I'm selling. a completely bad trade. I never got an exit. The high of this candle was around 625. So I was never in the money. Messed it up. $6,000 loser. I'm feeling the stress. I was looking to sell around here and I added. I forgot to flip the switch here. Probably you guys have seen everything on video. And I think I should be closing my trading for today. I'm glad that I was able to capture everything in video now. I'll try to go back and see my trades. It broke the pre-market low, continued lower with strength, and this was a totally unexpected candle. And when Tesla turned green on the day, I hardly got any exit. Looks like now I would have been profitable, but that's completely hindsight. I'm glad that I was able to restrict my loss to around $6,000, because on a 140 contract position, if you lose $1 per share, you're talking about a $14,000 loser. And I think on my trade today, I managed my loss to be below 50 cents, which I think it's really good. Not a great day of trading, but I'm happy that I was able to manage my loser. I panicked at times. I got emotional. One bad mistake I did was I added instead of selling. I was planning to add initially, but then since it was strong, I told myself that I'll not be adding, and I was looking to sell, and I forgot to switch the sell button over here. Paid the price. $6,000 is a big deal, but I think that's a manageable loss. And with this state of mind, I don't think there is a point continuing trading for the day. That being said, I'll wrap up my trading for the day. Hopefully you guys had a great day of trading. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.